Cheese, a delectable delight enjoyed by many, evokes feelings of satisfaction and indulgence. However, for a select few, the mere thought of cheese can trigger overwhelming fear and anxiety. Welcome to the intriguing world of Turophobia, the fear of cheese. In this captivating exploration, we journey into the minds of those afflicted by this unique phobia, uncovering the psychological and physiological reasons behind this curious aversion. From the intriguing origins to the rare triggers, we delve deep into the little-known realm of turophobia, aiming to bring understanding and empathy to those who experience it. Fact 1. Turophobia is a real phobia. Explanation. Turophobia is a genuine and recognized phobia characterized by an intense and irrational fear of cheese. Individuals with this phobia may experience anxiety, panic attacks, or aversion when faced with cheese-related stimuli. Fact 2. Turophobia is rare. Explanation. While cheese is widely enjoyed, turophobia is relatively uncommon. Only a small percentage of the population experiences this fear, making it a unique phobia. Fact 3. Origins in childhood. Explanation. Turophobia often originates in childhood due to negative experiences, such as choking on cheese or an adverse reaction to its taste or texture. These early encounters can lead to lasting fear associations. Fact 4. Genetic predisposition. Explanation. Some research suggests a genetic predisposition to developing specific phobias, including turophobia. Family history of anxiety disorders may play a role in its manifestation. Fact 5. Texture sensitivity. Explanation. People with turophobia may be sensitive to the texture of cheese, finding it unpleasant or discomforting. The feeling of certain cheese varieties can trigger fear responses. Fact 6. Smell aversion. Explanation. The strong odor of certain cheeses can evoke a sense of disgust or unease for individuals with turophobia, contributing to their fear. Fact 7. Cultural influence. Explanation. In some cultures, cheese is an essential part of meals and celebrations. Turophobia may be influenced by cultural norms and traditions surrounding cheese consumption. Fact 8. Conditioned fear. Explanation. Fear conditioning may contribute to turophobia. Past negative experiences with cheese, such as food poisoning or allergies, can create lasting associations that trigger fear. Fact 9. Unconscious fear. Explanation. Some individuals with turophobia may not consciously recall the origin of their fear, making it challenging to address through conventional means. Fact 10. Fear of choking. Explanation. For some turophobia sufferers, the fear of choking on cheese or getting it stuck in their throat can be a primary trigger. Fact 11. Fear of spoiled cheese. Explanation. Concerns about consuming spoiled or contaminated cheese can evoke anxiety in individuals with turophobia, leading them to avoid it altogether. Fact 12. Fear of lactose intolerance. Explanation. Individuals with lactose intolerance may associate cheese with digestive discomfort, leading to a fear of consuming it. Fact 13. Fear of food allergies. Explanation. Allergic reactions to cheese can lead to a fear of cheese consumption among turophobia sufferers. Fact 14. Fear of food poisoning. Explanation. Turophobia may develop after experiencing food poisoning from cheese, creating a lasting fear of cheese product. Fact 15. Traumatic experience. Explanation. Turophobia can develop after a traumatic event related to cheese, such as a cheese-related accident or illness. Fact 16. Fear of mold. Explanation. Moldy cheeses, like blue cheese, can evoke fear in some individuals with turophobia, leading them to avoid all cheese types. Fact 17. Fear of indigestion. Explanation. The fear of experiencing indigestion or gastrointestinal discomfort after eating cheese can contribute to turophobia. Fact 18. Cross-contamination fear. Explanation. Individuals with turophobia may fear cross-contamination of cheese with other foods they are allergic to or dislike. Fact 19. Disgust response. Explanation. Turophobia can evoke a strong disgust response, causing individuals to avoid any contact with cheese. Fact 20. Social isolation. Explanation. Turophobia can lead to social isolation as individuals may avoid gatherings or events where cheese is present. Fact 21. Fear of feta and soft cheese. Explanation. Some turophobia sufferers may fear specific cheese types like feta or soft cheese due to their distinct textures and aromas. Fact 22. Traumatic childhood experience. Explanation. Traumatic events during childhood, such as being forced to eat cheese or witnessing others having adverse reactions, can contribute to turophobia. Fact 23. Cultural taboos. Explanation. In certain cultures, cheese is considered inappropriate or forbidden, contributing to the development of turophobia in individuals from those backgrounds. Fact 24. Fear of all dairy products. Explanation. Some turophobia sufferers may extend their fear to all dairy products due to associations with cheese. Fact 25. Fear of overindulgence. Explanation. The fear of overindulging in cheese and the potential consequences such as weight gain or health issues can contribute to turophobia. Fact 26. Fear of cheddar cheese. Explanation. Cheddar cheese, one of the most common types, may trigger fear in individuals with turophobia due to its prevalence in various dishes. Fact 27. Fear of social stigma. Explanation. Turophobia sufferers may fear social judgment or ridicule for their unusual fear of cheese, leading to anxiety in social settings. Fact 28. Fear of embarrassment. Explanation. Some individuals with turophobia fear experiencing embarrassment or ridicule if their fear is discovered by others. Fact 29. Fear of abandonment. Explanation. Turophobia can be associated with the fear of being left out or excluded from social events where cheese is served. Fact 30. Avoidance behavior. Explanation. Individuals with turophobia may exhibit avoidance behaviors such as refusing to enter cheese shops or avoiding sections with cheese in grocery stores. Fact 31. Fear of surprise cheese. Explanation. Turophobia sufferers may fear unexpected encounters with cheese in meals or dishes, leading to heightened anxiety in various dining situations. Fact 32. Fear of cheese smearing. Explanation. The tactile sensation of cheese sticking to fingers or skin can evoke fear in some individuals with turophobia. Fact 33. Fear of cheese odor residue. Explanation. The lingering smell of cheese on hands or surfaces can be distressing for turophobia sufferers, leading to obsessive hand washing or cleaning rituals. Fact 34. Fear of cheese tasting contaminated. Explanation. The fear of cheese tasting contaminated or spoiled can cause anxiety in individuals with turophobia. Fact 35. Fear of rotten cheese. Explanation. Some turophobia sufferers may fear cheese that has passed its expiration date or appears discolored, thinking it is rotten. Fact 36. Fear of cheese touching other foods. Explanation. The fear of cheese touching other foods on a plate can lead to specific meal arrangements or avoidance of certain dishes. Fact 37. Fear of cheese in art and media. Explanation. Turophobia sufferers may experience fear or anxiety when encountering cheese in art, movies, or media due to the perceived realism of the visuals. Fact 38. Fear of cheese advertisements. Explanation. Turophobia sufferers may avoid cheese advertisements and commercials to prevent triggering their fear response. Fact 39. Fear of cheese contamination during cooking. Explanation. Turophobia can manifest during cooking, with individuals fearing cross-contamination of cheese with other ingredients. Fact 40. Fear of cheese affecting digestion. As explanation. Some turophobia sufferers may associate cheese consumption with digestive issues, leading to fear and avoidance of cheese-containing foods. As we conclude our journey into the depths of turophobia, we celebrate the diversity of human experiences and emotions. By embracing empathy and understanding, we can build a more inclusive society that respects the unique fears and challenges faced by individuals with turophobia. From the curious origins to the complexities of managing the phobia, we hope to inspire a compassionate dialogue surrounding this unusual fear. Join us in our quest to unravel the mysteries of turophobia and let us stand together in support of those who navigate this curious aversion to cheese.